Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, the right tool can turn a tough job into a satisfying win. Today, we're diving into 12 game-changing tools for 2025, designed to make your work faster, smarter, and way more enjoyable. Number 1. The FastPro 177-piece cordless drill and tool set is designed to handle a wide range of everyday repairs and DIY projects. At its core is a 20-volt lithium-ion drill, offering enough power for tasks like assembling furniture, hanging shelves, or light construction work. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck and 19-position clutch let you control torque, helping prevent over-tightening or damaging materials. 2 speed settings, low for control, high for faster drilling, make it versatile for different jobs. The set also includes forged steel pliers with a hardened cutting edge for strength and durability. Every tool fits neatly into a blow-molded storage case, keeping them organized and easy to carry from one task to another. Whether you're tightening screws, cutting wire, or drilling pilot holes, this kit provides the essential tools you need in one place, making it a practical choice for both professionals and homeowners. Number 2. The Works 20-volt cordless blower and inflator is a compact, high-speed tool designed for quick clean UPS and versatile air tasks. Delivering up to 470 miles per hour of airspeed and 39 CFM airflow, it's powerful enough to clear wood chips from a workbench, remove dust from tight spaces, or blow away wet leaves from a car. Its brushless motor technology provides more power, longer runtime, and extended lifespan compared to standard motors. With 4 digitally controlled speed settings, you can adjust airflow for delicate surfaces or heavy debris. The included 3 nozzle tips, 2 for blowing in different sizes and 1 for inflating, make it adaptable for workshops, garages, and outdoor use. Lightweight and cordless, it's easy to carry and maneuver, giving you freedom to work anywhere without dragging a cord. A practical choice for both professionals and homeowners who want speed, control, and convenience in one tool. Number 3. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel half-inch hammer drill and driver is made for tough jobs. It has an all-metal chuck with carbide teeth. This gives a strong grip on drill bits and helps them last longer. A built-in mechanical clutch keeps screw driving consistent, so you don't over-tighten or strip fasteners. With the M18 5.0 Ah battery, it runs longer than many drills in its class. Switch to hammer mode when you need to drill into brick, block, or concrete. It's powerful, fast, and ready for heavy-duty work. An all-metal belt clip makes it easy to carry on the job. This drill is a solid choice for both professionals and serious DIY users who want strength and control in one tool.
Number 4. The Bosch ProFactor 18-volt circular saw gives you corded power without the cord. It uses a 7¼ blade and can cut through 2x material at any bevel angle. ECO mode can extend battery life by up to 30%. The biturbo brushless motor is built for high performance. It works best with Bosch Core 18-volt high-power batteries. A one-touch depth control lets you adjust cutting depth quickly with one hand. The onboard display has 6 speed settings and shows live tool feedback. This saw is also track compatible for straight, accurate cuts. With an optional module, you can connect it to the Bosch Toolbox app. That lets you customize settings and see detailed usage data. It's a strong choice for pros who want precision, power, and cordless freedom. Number 5. The Makita 40-volt Max XGT cordless planer is built for speed and precision. Its brushless motor runs at 15,000 RPM, removing stock faster than many corded models. It can plane up to 3¼ inches wide and 5/30 seconds deep in a single pass. It can also rabbet up to 1 inch deep for joinery work. With a 4.0 AH XGT battery, it can plane up to 311 feet at a 1/16 inch depth. The precision-machined aluminum base keeps cuts accurate and smooth. 3 built-in chamfering grooves make it easy to bevel edges without extra setup. This planer delivers up to 38% faster planing speed, giving you more work done in less time. It's a strong choice for carpenters, woodworkers, and anyone who needs clean, accurate results on the go. Number 6. The Fantic M10 Ace Cutoff Tool is compact, light, and powerful. It weighs just 1.66 pounds, yet its brushless motor runs quietly at 10,000 RPM. It can cut up to 20 millimeters deep, making it ideal for many household and DIY projects. There are 3 cutting modes, shown clearly on the smart LED display. You can see battery life at a glance and get instant alerts when it's time to charge. Switching modes for different materials is quick with the EZ Shift control. A dual safety system adds control and protection. The 2-step start and auto-stop feature keep operations safe, while the guard shields you from debris. USB-C fast charging powers the 18.5 watt-hour battery. A full charge can cut a 3mm PVC pipe up to 75 times. With 4 included blades for metal, wood, tile, and more, it's ready for almost any project. Number 7. The Jorest 19-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver is built for precision and strength. It's made from high-quality S2 steel with a hardness rating of 58 to 62 HRC. This gives it long life, high torque, and reliable performance. The magnetic tip holds screws firmly, making work easier and faster. The handle stores 18 standard bits and 1 extension rod. An extension bar helps you reach deeper screws. A stowable force bar allows smooth, full-circle rotation when turning. The magnetic head can also hold small screws or bits temporarily. A magnet near the slot keeps bits from scattering. You can adjust the top lock for a more personalized feel. This set includes Phillips, Posidriv, slotted, square, hex, torque security bits, and a 1/4-inch nut driver. It's ideal for bikes, furniture, electronics, appliances, and general repairs at home or on the go. Number 8. The Suzumi Digital Torque Wrench is built for accuracy and reliability. It has a tolerance of plus or minus 2% and is tested 20,000 times to meet industry standards. It stays accurate for over 15,000 uses without recalibration. A digital display shows your torque reading in real time. When you reach the set value, a buzzer sounds and lights flash. Green means you're close, red means you've hit the target. This helps prevent over-tightening or under-tightening. You can use track mode for live readings or peak mode to hold the highest value until reset. The 72-tooth ratchet head needs only a 5-degree swing, making it easy to work in tight spaces. Made from chrome vanadium steel, it's strong and durable. It supports 4 measurement units and even stores usage data, ideal for automotive, machinery, aerospace, and home projects. Number 9. The Max Power Locking Pliers set includes 2 tools, a 9-inch long nose and a 10-inch curved jaw. Both have a wide jaw opening with a 2-position adjustment. The long nose pliers open up to 2.75 inches. The curved jaw pliers open up to 2.36 inches. A hex end screw lets you adjust the pressure or tighten the grip. The classic trigger release gives maximum locking force and a quick, one-hand release. They are made from drop-forged, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel for strength and durability. Hardened teeth provide a secure grip on different shapes and surfaces. The long nose pliers reach into narrow, hard-to-access spaces. The curved jaw pliers hold square nuts, round objects, and more. This set is ideal for plumbers, mechanics, welders, and anyone who needs a strong, reliable grip. Number 10. The WorkPro 2-in-1 diagonal cutting pliers are made from high-quality 60 CRV steel. They are heat-treated and have a blackened surface for extra hardness, toughness, and rust resistance. At 7.5 inches long, they work as both a wire cutter and a wire stripper. They can strip SLD 10, 12, 14, and 16 gauge wires, and STR 12, 14, 16, and 18 gauge wires. The design makes stripping easy without damaging the wire core. A high leverage build reduces effort when cutting. The TPR handle grip is ergonomic, non-slip, and comfortable for long use. The cutting edge has a hardness of 55 to 65 HRC. It can cut steel wire up to 2 millimeters thick, as well as copper, iron, and thin plastics. These pliers are ideal for electricians, repair work, and home projects. Number 11. The WorkPro Magnetic Socket Organizer Set keeps your sockets neat and easy to find. It includes 6 trays, 3 blue for metric sizes, and 3 red for SAE sizes. Each tray holds 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, or 1/2 inch drive sockets. Together, they can store up to 143 sockets. The magnetic base holds sockets firmly in place, even if the tray is turned upside down. You can also attach the trays to any steel surface for quick access. A soft rubber layer on the base prevents scratches on your tools or work surfaces. Each slot is clearly labeled, so you can grab the right socket without searching. They work with both standard and deep sockets, but not with impact sockets. Place them in a drawer or mount them to your toolbox to keep your workspace organized. Number 12. The Store Your Board Tool Storage Rack helps you organize your garage and free up floor space. It can hold garden tools, shovels, rakes, brooms, power tools, hoses, extension cords, and even bulky items like wheelbarrows or chainsaws. The wall mount system uses a 45-point adjustable track. You can set it up exactly how you need it. Independent wall brackets align with studs for a secure installation. Built from industrial-grade steel and aluminum, it supports up to 300 pounds in total. Each attachment can hold up to 50 pounds. A powder-coated finish helps prevent rust and corrosion. The set includes 6 hooks, 4 large and 2 small, for different tools and equipment. Each attachment locks into place with a gated pin system for extra security. You can reposition hooks anytime, making it a flexible, long-lasting storage solution.